Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for your attention to today's video. I hope that you and your families have been staying safe and healthy. As you've seen from the email communications over the course of this week, we are in the midst of celebrating National Customer Service Week, October 5th through October 9th. As one of our 4 organizational tenets under the CCTA initiative, customer service is at the heart of everything we do here at DCH. This year's theme for National Customer Service Week is Dream Team, and what an apt description I consider the entire DCH workforce across the state as one big dream team, working together as a finance, compliance, and regulatory agency to provide access to affordable, quality health care to millions of Georgians. The work you do every day makes a true difference in the lives of so many, and the grace and servitude you exhibit while working alongside our constituents and legislative and government partners has left an indelible impression on countless Georgians. I'd like to remind and encourage you to send a thank you gram to your colleagues who have provided tremendous customer service. I had thank you grams when I was in high school. I'm glad they're still around. Whether internally or externally over the past year, make sure to send a thank you gram. For details on how to send your thank you gram, please see the email DCH Communications sent Monday morning or contact the Office of Human Resources at hrhelp@dch.ga.gov. Since early March, we have all witnessed firsthand the tremendous impact the COVID public health emergency has had on our constituents in Georgia, as well as so many others across the United States and the rest of the world. Never has customer service in the healthcare industry been more critical, even as many of you have been asked to work remotely for both your safety and the safety of others. And then there are those of you who have had difficulty dutifully been in the office because your job requires it. And finally, all of you who are bravely working in the field every day, fulfilling the mission of DCH. Thank you. You have risen to the challenge in ways that have inspired all of us, whether it has been through our state and private partnerships to augment staffing for hospitals and nursing homes that were in dire need of our help, our healthcare facilities regulation division stepping up to meet the needs of nursing homes through infectious control surveys, and now assisting to help bring families with loved ones in nursing homes closer together through in-person visits. The Office of Health Planning, identifying smart methods to quickly issue certificate of needs to healthcare facilities that had to swiftly expand bed counts. Or our Medicaid division, thinking outside of the box to obtain waivers and other exceptions that have enabled hundreds of thousands of Medicaid and Peach Care for Kids members to move more easily and navigate health benefits in their greatest time of need, particularly through telemedicine. Our state health benefit plan team members are continuing to work with members on the many questions that have arisen over the course of the pandemic related to their healthcare plans. And finally, our various support functions across the enterprise that have played a pivotal role, often doing the thankless work behind the scenes to help ensure that we provide the level of customer service expected of this terrific agency. Again, a special thanks to each of you. Lastly, the Office of Human Resources thanks you for nominating our 2020 DCH Dream Team members who have been recognized by DCH colleagues as customer service champions for continued dedication to providing great customer service during these unprecedented times. Please see the email from DCH Communications that was sent out yesterday for a full list of those recognized. Again, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for your tireless work. Never has the commitment of the DCH team been more evident than over the course of this pandemic. 2020 has been a difficult year filled with uncertainty, and the DCH Dream Team has met the challenge head on with bold new thinking and a heartfelt spirit of customer service. Thank you for all that you do, and please stay safe, you and your families.